Mathematics and Data Analysis Training. Learn data, data representation, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, correlation and regression with much more things. The Mathematics and Data Analysis, Engineering Statistics, Statistical Data Reduction training course will help you to understand the inferential statistics topics such as confidence intervals, margin of error, hypothesis testing, critical value approach, inference of population, different types of distributions. Your benefits. By learning the fundamentals of data analysis and engineering statistics, you will be able to tackle real projects along with statistical concepts. During the training course, you will learn about the concept of samples and population and statistics and how to present them. Course audience. This course is designed for product design managers, engineers, or quality managers. Clients interested in developing statistical engineering competencies. Personnel involved with product quality assurance and regulatory compliance testing. Engineers to manipulate the data, create data visualizations and make strategic predictions. Faculty members who want to teach the engineering statistics or data analysis course. Anyone who is making a product of process assessment to make effective decision for different situations. Course outlines. Introduction to statistics. Data representing. Data analysis. Data reduction. Descriptive statistics. Inferential statistics. Probability and random variables. Distributions. Correlation and regression. Mathematics and Data Analysis. Want to learn more? Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.